How to manage RPAS fleet and maintenance logs. For admins and super users, click Configurations and then RPAS to manage your fleet. On the right side of the screen, click Add to register a new drone to your fleet. Fill in your RPAS information in the provided fields, such as manufacturer, model, nickname, certificate, registration and serial number, etc. If your drone weighs less than 250 grams, check this box. Add a service reminder to track how often the drone must be serviced. Notifications will be sent to admins and super users. You can control which pilots are authorized to use this drone. Select Available to selected pilots and then choose the pilots permitted to fly it. Click Save when done. Your new RPAS is now visible in the list. To add maintenance history, click View. Click the plus sign beside Maintenance History. Enter in the date and time of maintenance. Enter the details of the maintenance completed. Click Save when finished. View RPAS maintenance logs in the top right. When RPAS maintenance is up to date, the status icon will be green. Only admins and super users can add maintenance logs and monitor this status.